Ever recorded a video on your Galaxy S25 Ultra and realized the file is just way too big to share? Or maybe it's in HDR and some apps refuse to upload it properly? Let me show you how to resize the video and switch its format, including HDR to SDR, right from Samsung Gallery. To do so, open Gallery, then open the video you want to edit. Tap the edit icon at the bottom. Tap the three dots. Then choose size and format. Under resolution, choose the size you want, usually FHD or HD, depending on what you recorded. Next, look at the video format section. If your video was recorded in HDR, you will see HDR and SDR. Select SDR if you need better compatibility. Once you switch to SDR, the video codec section becomes available. You can choose HEVC to save space or H.264 if you need the most compatible option. Tap Done and then tap Save to save the change. And that's it. Whether you need a smaller file, an SDR version, or a more compatible format, Samsung Gallery gives you full control without installing anything extra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.